Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your account in the Chargemap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the personal information button at the your account section. And if you scroll down at the very end, you will see the delete my account button. So if you want to do that, just click on that. And then just confirm it once again. And then there's an email that has been sent, and there you can confirm your cancellation. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.